Hi everyone, I am Abhigna of CSC department. I am going to explain processing the arrays. Before getting into Python arrays and its data structures, let's see what exactly are arrays. An array is a data structure that contains a homogeneous group of elements. These elements are either integers or strings. Arrays are commonly used in programming languages or to organize data so that a related set of values can be easily sorted or searched. Python doesn't come with built-in data structure out of box like most of other programming languages such as C++, JavaScript and Java. But Python does have lists, and with the help of an array module, it supports array of numerical values. Topics in this: Python arrays, creating an arrays, accessing array elements, searching through arrays, looping through arrays, Python arrays methods. First of all, Python arrays. In Python arrays, arrays is collection of items that stored at contiguous memory locations. The idea is to store multiple items of same type together. Unlike Python list can store elements of mixed types, arrays must have all elements of same type. Having only homogeneous elements makes it more efficient. Creating arrays. Arrays in Python can be created by importing an array module. Arrays in Python mainly consist of first thing data type and second thing it's gonna be value. Accessing array elements. In order to access the array items referred to index number, use the index operator to access an item in array in Python. The index must be an integer. Search through arrays. In order to search an array element in the array, we use a Python inbuilt index method. This function returns the index of the first occurrence of value mentioned in arguments. Next, finally, we have Python array methods. Given below are various built-in methods used in Python for using arrays. Append. Add an element to the end of the array list. Reverse. Reverses the order of an array list. Clear. Eliminates all elements from this array list. Pop. Removes an element from the specified position. Count. Returns the elements along with their total number. Insert. Adds an element to the specified position in the array list. Copy. Returns a copy of the array list. Extend. Add the elements of an array list to the end of the current list. Remove. Eliminates the first element with the specified value. Returns the index of the first element in an array list with a specified value. Sort. Sorts the array list. I am going to explain them in practical. First, creating an array. To create an array, we have to import arrays. We can import arrays in three ways. First, import array as ARR. Here I will take ARR. According to your wish, you will take A is equals to array of array. And I already told you that we have two things to define here, data types and value. And I defined here data type and values and I print. Same thing I did with float. And let us see the output. As you see here, output as I printed. And we can also take it as import array, so that we have to take here right ARR. We have to take like this, even though we will get the output as you see. And we can also do this in another way, this so we will by using this we can access any values and functions, and even though we can get the output as you see here. Next, I am going with accessing an arrays. As usual, first we have to import an array, and next I defined here data type and value, and I am giving accessing is nothing but we have giving the index number, so that it will give the output as elements. And I will run and show you. As you see here, I will give here index 0. As we already know, it will starts with 0 and ends with n minus 1. Here you see I will give 0 and 2, and here we get the elements what are in the at that index numbers. And even I did the float, we get here as you see. And next going with import array as ARR as usual, defining data type and values, and here I used index so that we can get the index number here. This is called searching, as I run here, and you can see this. Here I given the elements so that we will get the index. Before we given the elements so that we can get the index. In this case, we will get the index numbers when we given elements. This is called searching. And next I am going with looping of arrays. When it comes to looping of arrays, as we already know that loops is nothing but iteration of something. So that here in arrays we will use loops to get the values. All values we will use the loops. So as you see here, I already imported the arrays, and next I defined the data type and values. And as we know that for loop and range, and I will run this. I will show you. Yeah, obviously here you will see we will get the output. So we will use the for loop or while loop, whatever it may be, according to your wish you can use it. And I used a for loop here. We used here for loop so to get all elements. I hope it is clear for you. Thank you.